art thou, O love, for delights. This thy stature is like to a palm tree, and thy breast to clusters of grapes. I said I will go up to the palm tree, I will take hold of the boughs. Now also thy breast shall be as clusters of the vine, and the smell of thy nose like apples.
You're ripe like a guava in a sunbed breeze, soft like hibiscus when it sway with ease. Your lips full red like June plum juice. Me have to sip slow, this sweetness loose. Me lay in a shade of your cocoa skin. Me feel your presence in every fling. Your touch a prayer, your kiss a flame. Me no want fame, just call your name. Right, my woman right, like mango drop in a twilight light. Right, my queen, my flight, me climb your tree for taste delight. Right, like fig in bloom, me want explore your fruity room. Right, me muse, me wine, let me drink your love divine. Me pick the scent of your blossom deep. Me inhale peace in a every sweet. The hills and valleys, me navigate slow. Me no rush harvest, me reap and grow. Me trace your spine like vine pan wall. Me whisper sounds, me spirit fall. Solomon said me for climb the tree. Me pick 2 grapes, my soul set free. Right, my woman right, your blossom white like Zionite. Right, me heart ignite, your fruit bear love and sweet insight. Right, your nectar call, me dive in praise, me rise and fall. Right, me Eden's vine, me no want gold, me want your time. Me no lost, me glorify your body temple, me testify. Your scent is worship, your voice is balm. Your laughter psalm, your gaze me calm.
Let thy fountain be blessed, and rejoice with the wife of thy youth. Let her be as the loving hind and pleasant roe. Let her breast satisfy thee at all times, and be thou ravished always with her.